Welcome back to my channel. I have these Slay Glam spoilers for the month of June and I'm super excited to share them with you. I'm so excited for this first spoiler. This is the Enchanted Romance palette from Rasha Cosmetics. This is going to be a 6-pan palette. It has a platinum, a gold, a rose gold, a silver, a bronze, and a metallic purple in this palette, and this is just absolutely stunning. I cannot wait. The second spoiler is going to be a lip and cheek gloss from Charmacy. Now this is an either or product, so our first option is going to be shade 1, which is Shining Stars. Looks absolutely beautiful. And our second option is going to be shade 2, which is Blue Dreamland, and I am so excited. These look like they have glitter in them, and you guys know I love me some glitter, so I'm super excited for either shade. They're absolutely beautiful. The third spoiler is a product from Sachet brand. Now this is going to be a liquid eyeshadow, which I absolutely love this. It has the metallic vibe to it. It looks like it's going to shift colors from like a gold to a pink, so I'm excited. The fourth spoiler is going to be a lip gloss from Illuminati Cosmetics. Now this looks just like that liquid eyeshadow. It looks like it has that pink gold shift, so I think it's going to match perfectly with it. The fifth and final spoiler is going to be a product from Italia Deluxe, and we're going to be receiving one of the 3 highlighters. The shades are Ice Diamond, Princess Cut, or Champagne. I'm absolutely excited for this whole box, but I am most excited for Rasha Cosmetics palette. You guys already know I absolutely love eyeshadow palettes, but let me know, what are you most excited for? I love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.